Welcome back to QZ Blitz. Think you know your animals? Get ready for the Ultimate 40 Animal Challenge. You have just 5 seconds to guess each one, starting from easy and climbing all the way to impossible. Before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun quizzes and epic challenges. Can you guess the first animal? Dog. Can you guess this one? Cat. Cow. Do you know this animal? Horse. Tiger. Any guess? Parrot. Rabbit. What's this animal? Lion. Monkey. Can you guess this one? Giraffe. Medium level. Cheetah. Peacock. Do you know this animal? Koala. Dolphin. What's this animal? Bear. Wolf. Any guess? Leopard. Kangaroo. Can you guess this one? Iguana. Otter. Heart level. What's this animal? Llama. Skunk. Any guess? Rhinoceros. Shark. Do you know this animal? Raccoon. It's not easy. Muskox. Hyena. What's this animal? Snow leopard. Bison. Can you guess this one? red panda. Impossible level. Try to guess. Canada lynx. Pangolin. Caracal. I know this is hard to guess. Okapi. Fossa. Can you guess this most dangerous bird? Cassowary. Tapir. I know this is hard to guess. Kakapo. What's this animal? Firanuk. Markhor.